This is a test of the emergency alert system. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Journey to 50 new and exciting destinations in North and South Dakota and eastern Montana. With Cliff Naylor's new Dakota Day Trips book, The Road to Rural Wonders is the latest edition of Cliff's popular travel series based on his off-the-beaten-path television stories. Get your copy today and start exploring lots of unique and interesting local sites. Send a check for $15 to KFYR-TV, 200 North 4th Street, Bismarck, North Dakota, 58501. Your First Warn weather team is always keeping you one step ahead of the storm. Keep following KMOT, your news and weather leader. They are
the A-Team.
The A-Team.
The A-Team.
There's only one A-Team.
Lisa has a great idea for a small business. So why aren't people visiting her website? Where are all her customers?
701 Digital? Yeah.
She now knows the missing piece to the puzzle has been a targeted marketing plan, specifically with her small business in mind. What she needed was 701 Digital Marketing.
Madeline Aaron, senior at Baylor University, Sikkim Bears.
Sydney Robertson, sophomore at the University of Arizona, Bear Down.
Dane Christensen, junior at the University of Kansas, Rock Chalk Jayhawk.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the stars of our show. That's Sajak and Vanna White.